In today's beginner's guide to makeup, we will be discussing baking, and I don't mean the cooking kind, although those cookies look lush. Baking is a makeup technique used on red carpets and photo shoots. It gives your skin a poreless matte complexion and a long-lasting finish. It's perfect for events or for very oily skin. So if you'd like to see me go from this to this, then grab a cuppa and just keep watching. We will be using a lot of makeup and powder for this technique, so it's important to keep your skin hydrated, especially if you have dry skin. Prepping is just as important as the technique. Using a primer suited to your skin type is very important as it has a huge effect on the lasting power of your makeup. If your primer is too oily, it won't last, and if you're not hydrated enough, it can look too dry. Apply your foundation and concealers as normal. If you want to use cream contour, you can follow the exact steps I use in my beginner's guide to contour video. Take a loose translucent or banana powder and pack it on generously. This is not the time to skimp on powder. Use a damp sponge, make sure it's damp and not wet. Let the powder set for 5 to 10 minutes. Your body temperature will cook or bake the powder and concealer into your skin and set it. While your powder is setting, continue on with your contour. If you want a strong chiseled look, you can apply more powder underneath your contour to clean it up and leave it set. Make yourself a cuppa, clean the house, or apply your lipstick to pass the time. Once your powder is set, take a fluffy brush and a little bit more powder and gently dust away the excess. You will be left with a beautiful, flawless matte complexion. Continue on with your blush and highlight. If you're unsure how to apply blush, you can use the technique I showed you in my How to Choose and Apply Blush makeup lesson. And lastly, set everything in place with a setting spray. This will ensure your makeup does not budge for your special occasion. I really hope you enjoyed this week's beginner's guide. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye!